Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to do a quick update on the Fieldpiece Sc680. So after I was having those issues with this one reading incorrectly on the amp draw with the wireless features turned on, I reached out to Fieldpiece to let them know what was going on. They had me make a quick video for them to show what was happening with the wireless function of the amp readings, and they were super quick to send me out a replacement meter. So I've got the replacement meter here. So I didn't have a good chance to do a lot of testing with this thing until this week. So I wanted to get some readings, some amp readings off of the VFDs, some across the line, using it wirelessly, not wirelessly, just kind of all the same things that I had run this one through just to make sure that the problem had been resolved. And so I did all that, and this thing seems to be running no problem. So you can see, do the comparison here with both of these. Got both meters set here to 100 amps AC. When I turn wireless on, the original one here seems to get that weird additional amp draw, and the new one seems like it no longer has that issue. So I tested these out on a bunch of different components today, and this new one never seemed to have an issue. So if you look on the back, I'm assuming this is the serial number of the meter. The one that I am having issues with, the underlying portion of the serial number is 0110, and the new one that they sent me is 0672. So see if I can get a close-up of that for you guys. So I don't know if that serial number is indicating that the 0110 is one of the first meters made, and maybe they were just having some problems with those first ones. After I posted the video of the issues that I was having with the wireless amp reading, if you haven't seen that video, you can check it out here. I did have some people reach out to me and tell me that they were having the same exact issue. They actually returned their meter and got a replacement, and the replacement was also having the same issue. So I don't know if it's something that's been resolved with the later version. Fieldpiece didn't specify if that was a known issue and that it's been corrected now, but this new meter does not seem to be suffering from the same problems. So if you have an Sc680, I would maybe just verify that your meter is reading correctly with the same amp draw, both with the wireless turned on and the wireless turned off, just to make sure that you're not running into any false readings. Well, there you go, guys. I just wanted to make this quick video as an update to let you know Fieldpiece took care of me, sent me out a new one, and this one seems to be running no problem. There's still a couple things that I would hope that they integrate with Measure Quick. The issue seems to be resolved. I don't know if I just got a faulty unit, but again, there's been some other people that have claimed that they're having that same exact issue, so I don't know if it was the early models, but check yours out. Make sure if you do order one of these that you don't have that issue. Reach out to Fieldpiece. They seem like they'll get you taken care of.